Good morning, everybody. Take two. It took me about 10 minutes into the chat this morning to realize that I am talking to a frozen screen. and uh, and I tried everything I could to fix it, but in the end, I had to reboot the computer, and even then, it took forever. It took me forever because Think or Think, Think or Swim was updating their software. So that may be the main cause of the stream not working right because Think and Swim was frozen. Who knows? Anyhow, I had to update Think and Swim software first. After I reboot the computer, that take a while, longer than I expected, but I am back. So sorry about the little mixed up, but we are up and running again. Goodness gracious, right? So we are back. I'm just going to repeat what I already said. I sold uh, into the rally, right? If you pay attention to what I've been saying the last couple of days, sell into the level above. So I sold a little bit of AXP. I sold a little bit of NVIDIA. What else did I? So NVIDIA is key here. Okay, so I sold NVIDIA at 235. Very happy to get that price. Right here is very tough. Okay, NVIDIA is very problematic. Tough word for me to say. Look at this. You have so many converging area. You get the 200 MA, the 20 MA. You get the downtrend. You get the 50 MA. All in this tight $5 spot right here between 245 and 240. Okay, so I took off some at 235. Very happy at that price because as you can see, it is not there. Let's see what else. Booking, I sold some yesterday. Well, I sold one. I had 7 share of booking. Okay, not a lot, not a huge position. So right here, let me text my brother. I just told him sell more booking into the 20 MA. Okay, so take your profit. I can't stress enough. Okay, on Fed day, do the opposite. If it by the rumors, no. If the I'm trying to phrase it correctly. The market tend to have a opposite move on Fed day. If it dump before the Fed speak, I buy, and then when the Fed speak, it reverse. I sell. On day like this, where the Fed is speaking this afternoon and it is opening high, sell into it because by the time the Fed speak, because it's buy the rumor, sell the news, right? Because people think that the Fed is only going to raise rate by 25 basis point because of the and inflation is taming. Okay, the fear of inflation is overstated. You know, all the people that call inflation is a lagging data. It's a lagging data. Okay, sure, inflation looked very scary uh, last week when oil was people was talking predicting oil to go to 200. Well, guess what? Oil is nowhere near that. Okay, oil is not even 100 or barely around 100. So no, the the I think inflation data is near peaking. Okay, if there is such a thing. Gosh, my hair is all so messy. Get bad head. So I wouldn't worry about inflation. Sure, inflation is high. I'm not saying that there's no inflation. I'm just saying that the fear of inflation should not be on the forefront right now. So booking, yes, I would sell booking. Okay. Oh yes. Let me go to my order here on E-Trade. Let me do my thing. I'm trying to do too many things at the same time. Normally, I would not be having a chat right now because you know me, when it comes to trading, I want to be focused. What in the world? Is this even working? Good morning, Socrates, back here. Okay, let me log into my E-Trade. So yes, I sold some AMD, I sold some AXP, I sold a little booking. I will look to sell some more booking. Okay, and Tesla, what's Tesla doing? Tesla 817, not yet. Where? Right here, 832. Okay, 832. Booking, go down to my booking position, sell. One more share, one more share. It's all in green. All my booking is in green. Profit range. Where's booking right now? BKNG. Okay. 2181. That's my order. My order is 2181. Oops, it's already bumped above that, so I'm changing it to 2186. Okay, one share, 2186, and it's gone. Bye-bye. Text my brother. Okay, alrighty. We do what we do, okay? I will set an order. Like I said, it's close enough to the 20 MA. I'm not taking my chances. I'm not taking my chances there. All right, so Qualcomm, 154, okay? 153. If you have Qualcomm, congratulations. If you buy into Intel like I did, yay. Where would I sell Intel? 46.6, yes. I bought PayPal yesterday, 98, 97. I bought twice. Oh, look at PayPal. What we have been talking for 2 weeks. It is here. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Can PayPal hold and go? Oh mine. Oh mine. Oh mine. Okay, the moment of truth is here. Yesterday I bought a PayPal more at 98 something and then 97 something. So let's go. Let's go. PayPal. How about Square? Square is over the 20 MA once again. The battle is on. How about Microsoft? Over the 20 MA. So you know what to do? If you didn't sell yet, put your order to sell right here, 298. 298 is a must sell. Okay, must sell at least half. What I would do if you haven't sold yet is put your stop right here at the 20 MA to lock in any profit that you have if you bought it down here. Okay, so lock in your profit at the 20 MA. Do that. Okay, it's 288. If you want to use 288 as your, as 288.88. Yeah, lock it in. Do nothing is not the right thing to do. Google, once again, they all are at the 20 MA. The battle is on here. Yeah, Google. I would say if you bought Google down here, you might want to take profit here. Okay, the 20 MA is going to be problematic for many stocks. Okay, don't ignore the obvious. Don't ignore the obvious. Okay, don't be greedy and stupid. Pepsi right here, 160 is a profit taking zone for sure. 162, okay? For sure, you are looking at a very defined, well-defined channel, right? It is off the channel. The big guy called the bottom, okay? And now he's calling the top up here. He said that do not be foolish. Do not sell at the 20 MA or at the highest 163. Amazon, same thing here. Have your stop at the 20 MA, okay? The 20 MA has been a major problem for Amazon, major. So if it can run, good on you to have it, but have your sell order here, okay? 30.37, between 30.37 and 30.35 is your sell order, because look, the last time it got there twice, 3 times, it rejected. All right, so that's your must get the F out of Amazon or you will feel dumb. But no doubt use the 20 MA is a stop. McDonald's, sell order right here, 237, okay? 237, must sell here. JPM, same thing, 20 MA, 139, must sell there. In fact, the big guy is even less bullish. The big guy think the gap fill at 137 is the first spot to book profit on JPM, okay? He said that don't wait until that. He said start to sell here at the gap fill on JPM. Morgan Stanley, it is here. Sell some. Morgan Stanley, sell some. I just text my brother. He just texted me about what to do with MS. I said sell some. He agreed. I don't care. I mean, I'm basically breaking even with MS there, so it's not like a profit spot. But no, we're not doing nothing. He did already before he texted me. He already sold. Good on him. My brother is a very disciplined trader. Okay, very, very, very disciplined trader. So good on him. Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley, where are you? There you are. Oh, I'm in profit. Duh. Yeah, I'm in profit on Morgan Stanley because I bought in the 85 range and lower when it was dumping. So I started to buy Morgan Stanley at the 89 range. Okay, so off you go. Half. Gone. Okay. I just saw it 89.42. Okay, so there you go. Half. I missed it by 10 cents better, but that's okay. It's in the profit. It's in the money. Take it. Okay. Definitely not easy trying to have the chat and then make sure I don't miss out on my trade at the same time. Baba. I like Baba here. Okay, Baba. I like Baba here. Look at this downtrend line, okay? Baba, this was a spot for those brave to buy. But Baba, 101, okay? Anything around 100, you better sell, okay? Or sell some. But for now, you still get a $10 runway on Baba. The big guy like K-Web, okay? The big guy like K-Web. Why, my God, K-Web was at the crazy 3-4 year low yesterday. Okay, the big guy like K-Web. So if you have K-Web, let it run. Well, you have $3 higher until 30. There's a 10% move left on K-Web. Okay, so no worry there. Google, same thing here. Okay, you are facing issues. I'm watching it. I have troubleshooted out Google, so it's a fairly decent position for me. How about let's take a look at Anthem near the all-time high. No can do. UNH near the all-time high. You better take some profit. Okay, you better take some profit. UNH, Humana, no touch. XLV, no touch. Take some profit if you have it. My brother sold XLK. He was buying XLK down here. He's selling up here. How about Goldman Sachs? Gotta sell some. Okay, got to sell some Goldman Sachs at the 20 MA. Is it coincident that just about every stock gap up to the 20 MA and stop right there? It's not a coincidence. Okay, it is not. It is not. If you're buying this pump on, if you are a buyer this morning, you are playing into the hand of big man. The big man is gonna take your money. Okay. Today is not the day to buy it this morning. It's to take profit. Texas Instrument, same thing. Same thing here. Okay. In fact, I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna blow out the rest of my Texas Instrument. I am gonna be out. I had my order. But yeah, I'm gonna sell the rest. It's close enough. Okay. Somehow I didn't have it up there as far as my order. I thought I put it in. I must have put it in like not good to cancel. Sometimes I forget to put good to cancel. I thought I put in an order, but then it expired at the end of the day. So I thought I put an order right here at 175 yesterday, but it must have expired. That's why it didn't trade, but now it's gone. So my Texas Instrument is gone. I am out. AMD, I sold some, and I will sell more up there. I have order here, which I sold at 111 something this morning. I sold AMD. Where did I sold my AMD? I sold AMD at 111.85 pre-market. Okay, so my next sell order is 114.9. Okay, so right there. Same thing, Socrates. At the least, sell a third or a quarter. Okay, don't do nothing. Do nothing is not the thing. Okay, do nothing. I have my order in at Bank of America at 42.5. Okay, 42.5. It went as high as 42.52. So why didn't my order trigger? But yes, at the least have your order at the 20 MA at 42.75. Okay, you gotta sell some here. Gotta sell some. JetBlue, is doing good. Now JetBlue is an exception because I really like JetBlue, but it has some key point here. It has the 50 MA, the downtrend right here. So what I'm doing is I'm watching it. I probably will put a stop at the 20 MA. Okay, I will put a stop there to lock in on some profit. But I I believe out of all the holdings that I have, I think JetBlue is the strongest with the most upside because sure it's a small stock, but a 10% move to the 200 MA, yeah, yes, I think so. The casino stock should do well. Win, yeah, Win can run to 81. Okay, it can. MGM should be rocking right there. Same thing. They all got there. MGM, okay? Gotta take off some profit. I bought some MGM yesterday. Well, guess what? Gotta sell. I'm just telling my brother, MGM got right up to the 20 MA, so sell we must. I didn't hit that many. I started to accumulate MGM yesterday, but did not anticipate the big move. I bought some at 39, so sell I will. Okay, this is a market to take the profit early. You can do whatever you want to do, but that's what I'm doing. MGM, yeah, not that many share, but sell I will. $41.8 is my order. Placing it, and it triggered at 41.84. I take it. Been a busy morning selling, trimming, taking profit. And just like that, my cash portion is rising quickly. Rising. It is rising quickly. Let me see. How about Home Depot? Ooh, strong move, strong move. What would I do Home Depot here? If you still have Home Depot, put your stop at 323.8, okay? Use that as your stop. Ford, tough one, tough one. I would not touch Ford here, okay? Too much resistance above. $1 above is all kind of resistant. No need there. I talk about I like GM more, right? I like GM more. So yeah, if you have GM, and I do, 45, 46, okay, got to get out there. See the 20 MA? The 20 and the 50 MA has been a huge problem for GM, okay? So how about Tesla? Let's go back to Tesla. What's Tesla doing? 827 is getting there. It's getting there. Okay, so let me text my brother. Let me check my order. Tesla, yeah. I gotta revise it down, okay, to 834. It was 837 yesterday, but the 20 MA is declining rapidly on a daily basis. So Tesla, I'm changing it to 834. It's my sell order. Yes, 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 yes. 834. I will still make money. Not gonna complain. Good thing I pick up a few shares below 800. So we'll do that. Um, Microsoft, yeah. If you didn't sell yet, use your stop. Nike, nice hop. Once again, this one have a lot of runway above. If it can get over here, if it can get over 125, I'm not selling any Nike yet, but yeah, 131, gotta get out, okay? So look at this. You think the 20 MA is not gonna be a problem? Big problem. Dick's Sporting Goods should do well. Yeah, Dick's into the spot. So if you're in Dick's Sporting Goods and make money, I would say make sure your stop is right here. Okay, make sure your stop is 111. Okay, you want to lock in that profit. If you buy Dick's down here, your stop should be 111. It's already mid resistant. If you didn't sell this morning on this bump right here, see that? See this? This has been a spot where you should have take profit if you have Dick's. Okay, if you watch it, pay attention. It's already retreated. Okay, so yeah, Foot Locker. Not yet. See? Remember the rule? The big guy, he's like, no. If you buy Foot Locker the past 2+ weeks, almost 3 weeks, nothing but frustration. And look at that. It retreat right there. It doesn't want to close the gap. Okay. How about Disney? Disney. Yeah. Where? 141, 142. Okay. If you have Disney and you want to book profit, that's the spot. Netflix. Not much room, but 367 is the spot. Costco. Ramping. I have a little Costco that I bought down here at 516 on the dump. Well, guess what? I'm waiting up here to sell at the 571. Okay, you betcha I will sell up there. How about drug stock? Gilead is down. Wow, in all the stock that we look at, Gilead is down. How about Moderna? Struggling. How about Pfizer? Struggling. How about Amgen? Struggling. Look like drug is struggling. Okay. Look like drug is struggling. How about Wells Fargo? Same thing here. You at the 20 MA. What do you think you're doing? No. Sell into the 20 MA, please. How about Starbucks? Starbucks, look at this move. 20 MA. Gotta sell some, okay? If you're crazy enough to buy Starbucks down here in the below 80, yeah. What a move. What a move, okay? Talking about take it right to the 20 MA. What next? I'm not selling any Starbucks, okay? I did not even anticipate this kind of a crazy move. Sure, the old CEO returning, the street like that. China, not so bad. JP Morgan came out with oh, China is not so bad as far as the lockdown, COVID. So yeah. Like I said, I like Starbucks a lot. So I'm not worrying about that one. Okay, but I'm watching this closely. If this thing not holding, you know what I would do? Put my stop where? Low of day. Okay, so it gap up. That's what I will do. Instead of selling at the 20 MA, maybe I will regret it later today when it come down here and I say to myself, that's dumb. But now that the first 30 minutes is past, I will do what the big guy told me to do many times. Okay, so let me show you what I talked about before. Use the first 15 minutes low of day is your stop if you don't want to sell. Okay, so what's the low of day? Not the pre-market. Forget the pre-market. We don't care about the pre-market. In the first 15 minutes, the low is right here, 87.65. Okay, 87.68 to be exact. 87.68. So put your stop at 87.68. So that's what I would do. Okay. So if it give back the low of day, at least I lock in because I didn't sell at the 20 MA, a little bit higher. Okay, so use that as your stop so that you don't feel dumb should Starbucks retreat all the way back. I don't think it will. But for now, at least use that as a stop on portion of your Starbucks, okay? And it's right, it coincides right with this important resistance here, this Fibonacci line right here, okay? So at least use that as a stop because it could be a gap and slide. We would like to see gap and go, right? But how often have we seen gap and go? Not a lot in the last couple of weeks, right? So be mindful. Last one before I go, okay? Because I want to trade, not sit here and talk. Sharp, same thing here. Okay, key point here. Key point, it at the point where it's struggling here. 615. Okay, 615 should be your first spot. All right, so I did pick up some Shopify at 536-ish, between 536 and 515. I actually bought a little more sharp, so that's crazy, but for sure they will be going out at 612. Sell orders, either 610 to 612. Well, pick your spot, but yeah, I'm watching this very careful, okay, because I don't want to give back a whole lot. Not a whole lot on Shopify, okay, not a whole lot. I need to figure out where to put a stop here so that I'm locked in some gain. Okay, so yeah, gotta get out. 612, gotta get out. Okay, gotta get out there. Palo Alto, I was able to pick some share twice. Okay, on the dump, pick up twice on crazy dump. What would I do? I watch it. I will put once again, it's a gap. Okay, it's a gap up. So you can either use low of day, the first 15 minutes is your stop. So if you use the first 15 minutes, okay, so let's take a look at the first 15 minutes. The low is right there. Okay, 545, if you can do that. Or you can use this one here, 548 as a stop. But yeah, you gotta lock in your profit. At the least, that's what I would do. I think I would put my stop right there at 548. Okay, so after the first few minutes, I want to hold on to the gain right there. That's a nice $30 gain on my small sharp position. And that's it, people. Not much else for me to say. Unless you have any other specific stock you want to ask. But no doubt, take the profit. Okay, take the quick profit in the first half an hour because I think once the Fed start to yap, we can see a complete retracement and complete give back. So everything that I sold in the last hour, I can buy back a lot cheaper, right? And that's it, people. Thank you for tuning in. I'm glad that I was able to relaunch. Have a good day.